What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel. You know, I appreciate it so much. So I got some food, gonna do a review. I stopped at Jimmy John's and they had a new sandwich advertised. So I was like, fuck it, let's go get it. But now that I'm looking at it, it seems like it's a sandwich they already have. They just gave it a different name, but I'm not sure. It's the spicy East Coast Italian. And I mean, it's a hefty looking sandwich, right? But I don't think it's anything different than what they've already had. Or it's just like one of their other ones. It's double salami, double capicola, and double cheese, hot peppers, sauce, onion, lettuce, tomato, and easy mayo. Because, you know, we don't want to overdo it with extra mayo, considering the sandwich is, you know, only 2,050 calories. And I also got a pickle. It's a hefty pickle. And I don't eat pickles a lot, but for some reason it's just sounded good today. So we'll crunch on that bitch. So, and it's about $7. I think I paid 7 something. You know, Jimmy John's isn't cheap, but they do have free smells. So if you want to go in there and be like a perv, just walk around smelling in there, that's for free. So, all right. I usually attack this sandwich from the top, a top bite. Like, I don't think it's a hot dog bite style sandwich. I think you have to work from the top and then you can go from the side. Maybe it's just me, but so let's try it out. What's it called again? Spicy East Coast Italian. East Coast. It's actually, I mean, but I like Jimmy John's, but I mean, it's good. I mean, I like it, but I like Jimmy John's. I like their sandwiches. I like the bread. You know, it's that chewy, that real chewy kind of bread. The meats are always good. I love the hot peppers on it. It seems like the same amount of mayo that's on any other sandwich. But I'm gonna take a look at this fucking pickle. This thing's a beast, right? I don't feel comfortable eating it like that. So I'm gonna bite this from the side too. Holy crap. That's a hell of a juicy pickle. I mean, it's a good pickle. Garlicky. You gotta fucking wear a rain jacket to eat this fucking thing. Finish working on this sandwich. I mean, it's good. I recommend it. I mean, I do recommend it, but I recommend most Jimmy John sandwiches. I'm just a fan, not gonna lie. My favorite sandwich is the gargantuan. I think it's a beast. But this is actually pretty good. And it's filling as hell. I mean, it's, you know, 2,000 some calories, so you should be pretty fucking full off this thing. Spicy East Coast Italian sandwich from Jimmy John's. I recommend it. I thought it was really good. The meats, the cheese, everything, the bread especially. I love that chewy bread. I definitely recommend it. I still like the gargantuan better. So if you've never had that sandwich either, definitely try that one. But it's a go. I say go. So thanks for watching, and I can't, you know, I just can't tell you how much I appreciate you guys tuning in for these videos. And I got some good stuff lined up, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.